Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best bond Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A bond represents a loan which a bondholder makes to the issuer of the bond. This exemplifies the bond issuer's promise to repay the principal amount on a specific future date with periodic interest payments. Whereas stocks represent ownership of an organization, a bond is basically an IOU agreement which necessitates the borrower to make interest payments and repay the principal at maturity. In terms of ownership privilege, a bondholder's claim is second to a stockholder's claim, but the risk associated with bonds is much lower than stocks, as the issuer has a binding legal obligation to pay interest and repay the principal. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best bond Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best bond Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, Forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. Platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own trader workstation platform, IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual, joint and family accounts to small business accounts, advisors accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate and advanced trading courses, a Traders Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with Interactive Brokers. At number 4 on our list is IG. IG was founded in 1974 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia. Specializing in trading through Forex, indices, shares, commodities, options and bonds. Featured platforms are available on the IG Trading platform and the MetaTrader 4 platform. Both are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. IG only offers 2 main types of trading accounts and a demo account. The standard account is for retail day traders, and the more premium account for high net worth traders. The specific professional account requires certain criteria to be met regarding experience and trading capital, and allows greater levels of leverage in exchange for less regulatory protection. Their standard CFD account includes no setup fees or annual charges, access to demo accounts, live streaming charts, tools, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer phone support, and more. IG also provides their very own educational academy that delves into news and analytics, guides in risk management, webinars that you can register to, topics in strategy and planning, as well as their very own Academy mobile application for you to learn from if you are searching for any additional educational resources with IG. Coming in at number 3, we have XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, combines financial services with innovative technology, and supports a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which feature integration with NinjaTrader and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delve into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. At number 2 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex, ECN, and CFD broker regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts, with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, which covers trading lessons, analysis, and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best bond Forex brokers, we have eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, bonds, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. eToro trading accounts are offered on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their very own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. And those are some of the top 5 best bond Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.